Hello everyone, welcome to TNN News. The activity help encourage confidence, independence, and hope for a brighter future. By working together to empower women and girls, society can become more developed, peaceful, and successful in the years ahead. Many inspiring women have made great contributions to the world. From scientists and doctors to teachers, many artists, women continue to shape the future with their talent, determination, and kindness. Their success motivates younger generations to follow their dreams and work hard for a better future. International Women's Day is a meaningful celebration that honors women's achievements and promotion equality and respect. It's a time for everyone to express appreciation to the women who make our life better every day. The celebration also reminds society to, of the importance to protect women's rights and creating equal opportunities for all. Around the world, many events and campaigns are organized to encourage respect, support, and empowerment for women and girls. By value the contribution of women, people can help build a more inclusive, peaceful, and successful for the next generation. This year, many school organizations and community held meaningful activities to celebrate the day. Students prepare flowers and handmade cards for for the mother and teachers, while companies organize events to appreciate female employees. Social media was also filled with messages of gratitude and respect for women everywhere. International Women's Day is not only a celebration but also a reminder of our ongoing struggle for gender equality. Although women today have more opportunity than before, many still face challenges such as discrimination, unequal pay, and limited access to education in some parts of the world. Therefore, the gender encourages people to support women's rights and create a fairer society for everyone. Another important aspect of International Women's Day in spreading awareness about the value of education and opportunity for girls around the world. Many charity organizations and volunteers use this occasional occasion to support disadvantaged women and children through fundraising campaigns, scholarships, and community programs. Thank you for listening.